A stacking plan can make it easier to sell or lease space in a commercial building, as they show potential buyers or tenants more about the building in an easy-to-digest way. Introv leasing solution stacking plans are a whole new way to visualize all the units in a building. For example, stacking plan uses colors to indicate which units in this building are available, are actively listed, are in contract, and their lease expiration dates. A stacking plan can help to increase the value of a commercial real estate property by making it easier to sell or lease space in the building. It can show potential buyers or tenants more about the building in an easy-to-digest way, such as square footage, lease expiration dates, rent roll, leasing terms, occupancy or vacancy rates, and more. This can help to make the property more attractive to potential buyers or tenants, which can increase its value. Schedule for a free consultation today.